Nurse job in Malaysia for foreigners. Are you dreamt of going Malaysia for nurse jobs? Watch this video, don't skip in between because you may miss important steps. In this video, we will discuss steps and procedure, mainly educational qualification, work experience, Malaysian Nursing Board, visa, annual practice certificate and finally salary. Malaysia is the best country for nursing work. Reason to go Malaysia for nurse job. Number 1. Good salary. Number 2. Employment opportunities. Number 3. Cost of living is relatively low. Number 4. Good facilities for children. Intro about country Malaysia. Malaysia is situated in Southeast Asia, consists of 13 states and 3 federal territories. Malaysia and Singapore is the most desirable destination for nurses residing in Asia. Foreign nurse has great opportunities in Malaysia and they avail good benefits for work. The average salary for nurse is 3,250 Rm per month in Malaysia. Depending on experience and nursing positions, the salary will be given to the nurses. To work in Malaysia, foreign nurse need to have basic qualification, work experience and need to be registered in Malaysian Nursing Board. Step by step to get job in Malaysia for foreign nurse. There are 9 steps are there to get nurse jobs in Malaysia. Number 1. Basic educational qualification. Nurse need to have minimum diploma in nursing or post-basic nursing or Bachelor of Nursing degree. Number 2. Minimum 3 years of work experience. Nurse need to have 3 years clinical experience in hospital and should be specialized in any of the department. Number 3. Find out credible job recruitment agencies. Nurse need to find legitimate job recruitment agencies. Job recruitment agencies should be approved by Malaysian government and home country government. Candidate need to look up advertisement for nurse job in Malaysia, either newspaper or internet. In newspaper advertisement, there will be openings for Malaysia nurse jobs given by recruitment agency. Foreign nurse has to follow newspaper and job sites to find nurse job position in Malaysia. Number 4. Attend exam and interview to be selected for nurse job. Candidate need to specify correctly their educational and work experience in resume. Recruitment agency or employer will conduct written examination and interview. Interview will be conducted either by online or in person. After interview, candidate will be selected for nurse job. Important note. Don't give money earlier for processing to get job and visa. Once candidate get job offer and visa, candidate can pay processing fee. In some agency, they don't collect money for processing, instead they get money from employer. Number 5. Transcript verification. Once candidate is selected for nurse job, the candidate need to verify their documents and certificate transcript. Number 6. Register in Malaysian Nursing Board. To start work in Malaysia, candidate needs to register in Malaysian Nursing Board. Without registration, nurse can't get annual practice certificate to work in Malaysia. Number 7. Get APC, annual practice certificate, to work in Malaysia. Annual practice certificate is very important to work in Malaysia. Candidate need to apply for APC from Malaysian Nursing Board. Each year, APC certificate need to be renewed to work in Malaysia. Number 8. Get work visa. This is the crucial step for candidate. After Nursing Board registration and APC certificate, candidate can apply for work visa. Number 9. Start work in Malaysia. Once visa processing is over, nurse can emigrate for work. Requirements for foreign nurses. Foreign nurse need to have diploma in nursing or post-basic nursing or Bachelor of Nursing with minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. To work in Malaysia, the nurse need to get valid APC, annual practicing certificate, for Malaysian Nursing Board, each year APC certificate has to be renewed. Educational or professional requirement. Nurse should have current nursing registration or licensure from country of origin. Nurse should have either 3-year diploma in nursing or a bachelor's degree in nursing. Nurse need to have clinical practice experience of minimum 3 years. Credentials should be verified, both transcript and training from a recognized nursing body in country of origin. Nurse must abide by domestic laws and regulations and the Nurses Act of 1950. Nursing position available in Malaysia. Several nurse positions is available in Malaysia. Few positions are: staff nurse, registered nurse, assistant nurse, clinic assistant. Staff nurse or registered nurse with post-basic can work in oncology, ophthalmology, NICU, ICU, OT, midwife, diabetes care, ER. Employment criteria for foreign-trained nurses in clinical field. Nurse must be 27 to 50 years old. Nurse should possess minimum 3 years of clinical experience after studies and must have specialization in nursing. Nurse need to have evidence of certification from an authorized body of country of origin. Nurse work period shouldn't exceed 5 years. After that they need to leave the country and have cooling period of 3 months. Nurse should have registered under the country of origin's nursing board or council, should possess verification of transcript or verification of training to be considered. The quota for employment of foreign-trained nurses is 40%, rest of the work belong to local nurses in that particular institution. Foreign-trained nurses shall not be practice obstetrics or become a clinical instructor in all clinical areas. Foreign nurse need to get approval from selection committee for recruitment of foreign-trained nurses. Only Malaysian citizens can hold the highest nursing positions in the country. The foreign nurse must have temporary practicing certificate from the Nursing Board Malaysia before application of the approval of work permit and multiple entry visas from the Immigration Board. Foreign nurse need to possess temporary practice certificate, TPC, approval of work permit and multiple entry visa from the Immigration Department and Ministry of Internal Affairs, Malaysia. Foreign nurse need to be fluent in both spoken and written English. Foreign nurse needs to renew temporary practice certificate, TPC, issued by the Nursing Board Malaysia. Nurse need to abide by domestic laws and regulations and the Nurses Act of 1950. Salary scale. Nurse salary is good in Malaysia. Average salary package is 3,250 per month. The total salary package is for fresh graduates are RM 2,200 to 2,450. Staff nurses will get around RM 2,500 to 4,500 based on their qualification and experience. Total salary package. Fresh graduates, RM 2,200 to 2,450. Staff nurse, RM 2,500 to 4,500 based on qualification and experience. Summary. To get nurse jobs in Malaysia, 6 important things needed. Number 1. Educational qualification. Number 2. Work experience. Number 3. Registered in Malaysian Nursing Board. Number 4. Get temporary practicing certificate. Number 5. Approvals of work permit. Finally, number 6. Multiple entry visas. Follow these steps and get nurse job in Malaysia. Thank you. If you like this video, click like button and share to all. If any questions, comment below. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.